I'm Josiah.
And I'm Austin.
We are from STEAM Group 4, the Brains.
This week we solved the mystery of the missing map. We are a crew that got shipwrecked on an island in Indonesia when someone stole the treasure map.
To solve this mystery, we built robots and bridges. We also did experiments on powders and analyzed blood splatters and fingerprints. To help the crew recover what we learned and about the lungs and the heart, we learned to tie splints and to diagnose as a snake bite.
Today we will tell you about the evidence we gathered against Dr. Smart and Shipwreck Neff.
Hello, my name is Jeremy. This week we learned about splints and lungs. We will show you what we did.
Hello, my name is Taylor. We learned how to write a simple fraction because some of the crewmates on the ship got fractures and broken bones. Here it is.
Hello, my name is Sawyer Bay. We made a model lung this week. The reason we made a model lung is so we could study the way a lung works. And also to help Dr. Smart fix the collapsing lung. We also did this to help find a part of the missing mappings. Here's how it works. The balloon works as the diaphragm. You pull the balloon, which is the diaphragm, out for inhale, and then for exhale, you push it in.
I hope you enjoyed our demonstration on how the splint and the lung.
This week we programmed an MBot to retrieve the missing crew members on the island. We had to go through many steps to make the robots send a signal to us when they found the people and to send us the location of where the people were. We were successful and found the missing crew members.
We made MBots during engineering. We put together all the parts, including the 2 motors, the wheels, an ultrasonic sensor, the battery holder, and batteries. We used a double-sided screwdriver to screw the parts together.
Hi, my name is Taylor, and when we were building the MBots, it looked like there were a bunch of parts, but it ended up only taking 11 steps. It didn't take as long as I thought it was going to. I felt like a real engineer.
Hi, my name is Miguel, and for the programming part, you can put lights on the MBot, and you can put the speed on super fast, and the MBot can turn left and right. Also, you can add a button that makes the MBot stop when there's an obstacle in front of him. And you can add another button that makes the MBot do the programming again.
Okay, now we're going to show you how the MBot's going to go through this bridge that we made in the video.
Hello, I am Duncan with Medical Team B. Today we will be discussing the circulatory system, as well as our experiences dissecting the beef heart. We will also talk about snake bites.
Hi, I'm Chris. This is our dissection safety rules for when we dissected the beef heart. The beef heart is a lot like the human heart, which we have a diagram of here that we have labeled.
Hi, I'm Dorian, and I will be talking about snake bites. We have our snake bite treatment do's and don'ts right here, and we are talking about snake bites because recently our first mate, Sydney Young, was bitten by a hemotoxic venomous snake which infected her blood. There is also a neurotoxic venom snake which infects the nerves. We also did an experiment to show what happens to your blood when you are bitten by a hemotoxic snake right here with the milk and lemon juice, and it turned the milk into boiled milk. This concludes our research for Medical Team B. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Megan.
And hi, I'm Becca.
And we are the blood splatter
team.
This week, during our investigation, we did a blood splatter analysis. During the test, we dropped blood from 12, 30, and 66 inches. After that, we let the blood dry and learned how to average out diameters.
Once we averaged out all of the 12 and 30, 60 inch blood drips, we found that blood drops from 12 inches make a splatter about 13.6 millimeters in diameter. 30 inches makes a splatter about 14.3 millimeters in diameter, and 66 inches makes a splatter about 6 millimeters in diameter.
That concludes our results from our blood splatter test.
Hi,
I'm Lonnie. We found powdery substance at the scene of the crime, so we put drops of iodine, water, and vinegar into the mystery powder. It had the same reaction as cornstarch, so we concluded that it was cornstarch. And cornstarch has healing properties for the skin, and shipwright Robert Neff had sunburn, so we concluded that the doctor must have given him the cornstarch for his sunburn, placing him at the scene of the crime.
Hello, I'm Tim. We found fingerprints and we examined them to see whose it was to figure out who took the map. We realized we couldn't touch the prints or it would ruin it, so we brainstormed ideas.
Hi, my name is Brandon Winfrey. This week we learned 3 types of fingerprints: loops, arches, and whorls. And that helped us conclude that Robert Neff and Dr. Smart stole the piece of the map.
This is what we learned this week. Thank you for watching.